are always popular here at Unique, especially in classics. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe just in. 289 V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with a C4 automatic transmission, power steering. Let's take a look at the front chrome on the bumper. Headlight surrounds, grille. Original color of this car, clear water aqua, W paint code. Interior 2K is the trim. Standard aqua bucket seats. Take your time looking at the still pictures. They can be seen on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing. Chrome wheels, 5 spokes. BF Goodrich radial TAs. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Paint shows well. Is it perfect? No, but does it show well? Have a nice shine to it? Yes. A few little spots where you may find a touch up or a little blemish here or there, but overall, paint does show good on this one. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take a quick peek at the interior. Of course, bucket seats up front. Two-tone color vinyl combination. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and at the very end of this video, of course, we'll take it for a drive. Jason will show you how it goes down the road. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a peek at the chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust, front to rear. There is a little bit of pitting on that rear bumper, just so you know. Technicians noted too, the right rear window was not in the track. It is up now. It would not go down. And also the fact it may need some front brake TLC, new brake shoes up front, they also noted. Consignor said, mark it accordingly, announce it, and sell it the way you see it. UniqueClassicCars.com, again, is where you can check out all the still pictures. If you like the early Mustangs, anywhere from the mid-60s to late 60s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. And as you can see, the driver's side, very similar to the passenger side. Paint has a nice shine to it, but there may be a spot where it's been touched up, a little imperfection in the paint here or there. Like I said earlier, car to get in, turn the key, go have some fun, drive it. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panel looks good. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats also. But you can see the seats free of rips, tears, holes. Again, original trim coat on this car, 2K, so standard aqua bucket seats. Exterior was clear water aqua to begin with, W paint coat. I have had the radio work, AM radio working, and I've also had the wipers working on this car. Horn works. It's fired up, nice sounding car, that 289. Let's see, fuel gauge just went all the way up. Oil pressure here, alternator, and temp gauge. I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up much. That was a cold start. How about the radio?
Vehicles that can suddenly lose power. The National Highway Traffic.
Top of the dash looks good. And again, wipers work. How about the headliner? Let's take a look at that. Headliner looks good. Back into the sail panels. Seat belts intact, front to rear. Door closes nicely. Take a listen. little rumble coming out of that 289. Just so you know, these hood pins up front are for looks only. If you're not a big fan of them, they are just looks only. So that can easily be changed. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to pop that hood. And there's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about that engine bay? There we go. A little dress up done to it. Some chrome and bright work. Colored looms and spark plug wires. There is a battery disconnect over here too for in between drives or when it's in storage. Smooth running, and again, power steering. 289 paired up to a C4 automatic transmission. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Ford Mustang in a very nice aqua color, maybe a teal color, inside and out, accented with black. And a darker teal on the seats and door panels. It all looks good. We've got hood pins. This car has great throttle response. Our turn signal indicators are working. Speedometer working. This is an automatic on the floor. Very easy to drive. Fuel gauge is showing a full tank. Oil pressure is a little over halfway the gauge. Alternator also a little over halfway the gauge, and the temperature about a third of the way up from cold. That all looks great. Wipers work on this car. Blower motor also works. The factory AM radio.
I don't think it's complicated.
The AM radio is not complicated. It works well. Even the headliner is an aqua color, a nice bright aqua color. If you're a fan of that color, you definitely want this car. Factory horn also working well. Nice ride, smooth ride on the highway. Letting go of the wheel, it doesn't pull to either side. Brakes work well. Sounds the way a Mustang should, just a little bit of a growl. Corners nicely. Put my foot down, the kick down on the transmission does work, and that's another good thing. Great driving Mustang, great looking Mustang. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.